I am Dr. Saikat Bhaumik, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, IIT Guwahati. Recently, our research group, along with Professor P.K. Giri's group, discovered a novel security technique to counterfeit against the fraud currency and document. The conventional anti-counterfeiting technology have some features like QR codes, barcodes, and watermarks. They are very vulnerable and can be easily counterfeited by fraudsters or offenders, which is very risky for authentic products and even for national security. To tackle this issue, we have developed perovskite nanomaterials. They possess some unique features like they are highly luminescent, exhibit narrow emission spectra, and can be excited by very narrow excitation wavelength. These nanomaterials also show some specific emission properties, and their emission can be tuned systematically by external stimuli like heat, temperatures, and in presence of various ions and chemicals, which makes them unique or special as compared to the other fluorescent materials. We also fabricated different type of micron size patterns by photolithography process that is very difficult to distinguish by normal imaging process. We can also store different type of informations and some binary codes in these micro patterns that increase the additional security, that is called 4D anti-counterfeiting technology, which is very difficult to replicate by the fraudsters. These fluorescence patterns can also be used for futuristic display technologies, which may be flexible, and for indoor lighting applications.
I am Latika from IIT Guwahati. Our work focuses on the patterning of metal halide perovskite nanocrystal and then their application for anti-counterfeiting and information encryption. In our work, we have done the synthesis of perovskite nanocrystals and then we stabilize them by double encapsulation strategy. We also fabricated micro pattern via direct laser patterning, and in this we also showed reversible fluorescence switching, in which fluorescence quenched at 110 degrees Celsius and chemically recovered for more than 50 cycles. We also showed 4D stimuli responsive information encryption, in which 4 levels, which is UV exposure and microscopic observation, reveal encoded information, and thermal treatment quenches data eraser. Thermal treatment does data eraser, and chemically we can recover the information. So these micro patterns can be used for the anti-counterfeiting and information security and in future semiconductor photonic devices.